Hi, good morning. Welcome to Kotak Securities Weekly Fundamental Podcast. I am your host Rini Mehta. After posting new highs in the previous week, Nifty and Sensex declined this week following the broader trend in global stock markets. If you look at Sensex mid-cap and small-cap indices, they also ended in a negative territory. And sectorally, indices saw correction too. BSE commodities, healthcare, metals, realty ended the week with negative returns of close to 3%. Now, if we look at the macro picture, while the FOMC kept key interest rates unchanged in their recent meeting, the markets reacted negatively to the Fed's hawkish stance on interest rates. And crude prices remain elevated, with Brent crude trading around $94 per barrel. If you look at US Treasury yields, which is an important indicator to look at, continued their march higher with 10-year Treasury yield at 4.47%. During the same period, if we look at foreign investors' participation, FPIs remained net sellers of Indian stocks this week. And FIIs continued to be net sellers as well, to the tune of rupees 16,935 crores so far in September. Now, FPIs, we expect them to remain volatile for in the coming period, and FPI flows so far in September were also negative for emerging markets. All emerging countries witnessed outflows. And now I would like to share some stock ideas and a few updates on stocks. So first, an update on analyst meeting which was there on HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank had an analyst meet to give a perspective on the merged financials. There is a reduction in net worth to account for policy, accounting alignments and dividend payout. The non-performing loans in the parent entity is higher than expected, but further negative surprises should be negligible. Re-rating is sometime away, as the bank has to work through the net interest margin transition and build its thesis of differentiation, which we are still less certain about. So we maintain buy rating on the stock but revise fair value to 1850 from 1925 earlier. Lastly, our pick of the week is SBI. So we met, our team of analysts met Mr. Dinesh Khara, MD and CEO, and team to get an update on the bank. So management highlighted that first is loan growth is getting broad based. Second, net interest margin outlook looks comfortable to be held at current levels. Third is asset quality is holding up well, leading to lower credit cost. And fourth, focus would be on retaining return ratios closer to current levels. So we see scope for earnings revision on various metrics. Therefore, we maintain buy rating on the stock with fair value unchanged at rupees 725. So guys, that's all from my side today. See you again next week. Thank you and signing off.